In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade prop firms directly on TradingView. Let's jump right into it and discover how you can connect with your prop trading account efficiently. First off, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to TradingView. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, look towards the top of the screen where you can find the search bar. Enter the symbol for Bitcoin against the US dollar, which is BTC/USD. Click on the correct result and you will be taken directly to the BTC/USD chart. This trading pair is very popular and will give you a solid environment for practice if you're just getting started. Now, with the BTC/USD chart open, draw your attention to the bottom of the TradingView interface. Here you will notice the trading panel. This is a crucial component because it's essentially your gateway to integrating multiple brokers directly with TradingView. Click on the trading panel to open it up. It's like unlocking a toolbox that contains all your trading essentials. Once you've accessed the trading panel, the next step is to click on the All Brokers option. This option is going to present you with a comprehensive list of broker options available. Imagine this as your personal directory, providing you an overview of all the trading firms you can connect with directly through TradingView. As you scan through the list, locate the entry for 8cap. Clicking on 8cap is our next step. 8cap is a broker that allows you to trade various financial instruments and is widely used due to its user-friendly platform and competitive spreads. Clicking on 8cap will prompt you to see more options related to this broker. After clicking 8cap, you'll need to click on the highlighted area pertinent to the broker connection. It might feel a bit overwhelming with all the icons and choices on display, but don't worry. Clicking on the highlight serves as a shortcut to the core features necessary for connectivity. Upon entering this section, you'll find that you need to once again click on 8cap. This redundant step may seem repetitive, but it's essential for ensuring that you're engaging with the correct connection sequence for your prop trading. Now, with the 8cap section open, type in your username and password. Remember that details such as usernames and passwords are sensitive information, so ensure your environment is secure and avoid sharing this data. Entering your correct login credentials will prepare you to finalize the connection. Lastly, you will notice a connect button prominently displayed. Clicking on this will conclude your setup process. Once your connection is successfully established, you will be directly linked to trade through 8cap on TradingView, empowering you to embark on your trading journey with a seamless and integrated experience. That wraps up today's tutorial on trading prop firms directly on TradingView. Stay tuned with us and explore the endless possibilities in the world of online trading.